Hey folks, TNT Neon here. We got a rainy day today out here in Charlotte, North Carolina. So what I'm gonna do is show what you can do while it's a rainy day. If you have an MSR or any fixed pitch helicopter, Msrx, fly ballers, MSR, or any particular fixed pitch helicopter, practice your orientations. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna practice orientations. First orientation is going to be tail end. What you start off with when you're learning is practicing so you know what's a right turn and a left turn. So nose go right, tail goes left, nose goes left, tails go right. Alright, next orientation is left to right. So while practicing this left to right, if you take the aileron stick, which is your right stick on your controller, and give it a right input, it'll come towards you, meaning how I would like to say towards my right shoulder. Alright, if you give it a left input, it'll go away from you. Alright, so next orientation will be right to left. Opposite of left to right, if you give it a left input on the aileron, it'll come towards your left shoulder. If you give it a right input, it'll go away. Forward and backwards, nose down, elevate up is the same difference. Alright. Next orientation is nose in. Nose in is a little tricky for folks. So, if the helicopter is leaning to the left, like it's drifting to the left, you take the stick the same way the helicopter is going to bring it back. So, if the helicopter goes left, you take the stick to the left. While it's nose in, you take the stick to the left to straighten it back up. If it goes right, you take the stick to the right to straighten it back up. Forward, down, up elevator will take it back. Nose down, elevator will take it forward. I'm gonna repeat that because I might have said it wrong. Alright. Up elevator will take it back. Down elevator will take it forward. Meaning pull the stick away, push the stick forward. Alright. And when you get ready to do a left turn or a right turn, a left turn would take the nose right. A right turn would take the nose left. So let's go to the orientations again. Tail end orientation is the first thing you want to learn. So you know a right turn is a right turn and a left turn is a left turn. Alright. The next orientation, you can practice either way. Whatever orientation you feel comfortable with. Left to right. If I give the right stick on my controller a right input, it's coming towards my right shoulder. That's how I learned it. And then the left input would take it away. Alright. Right to left. If I give it a left input, it's come towards my left shoulder. A right input come away from my shoulder, left shoulder. Alright. Nose in. Helicopter go left, you take the joystick the same way the helicopter go to straighten it out. Helicopter go right, you take the joystick the same way that the helicopter is going to bring it, to straighten it back out. Alright. A left turn on rudder, we'll take the nose right. A right turn, we'll take the nose left. So that was just showing a little bit of orientation practice, what you can do on a rainy day. And my battery dead. Alright, as I always say, God is good all the time. Timothy out.